Hi everyone, it's Emma from Houzz Pro, and today we're going to learn how to use the email marketing template editor. You can use the template editor to create, customize, and design engaging emails to your leads, clients, and suppliers. In this tutorial, we'll cover the following topics: how to set the background color, the differences between rows and content and how to use each one, how to personalize emails with personalization tags, what type of content we suggest linking to your email, how to save a block for future use, and how to preview the email before sending it out. To access the email marketing tool, click into Marketing and select Email Marketing. Here you'll be able to see all of your campaigns. If you haven't created one yet, click on Create Campaign and follow the prompts. Otherwise, to edit an existing campaign, click on the three dots and select Edit. When you first open up your campaign, it should look a little bit like this. So the first thing we'll cover is setting the background color. Click on the background, and from the panel on the right hand side, you'll see the background color where you can click in to change to your desired option. Once you click out to change the color, click back in, or go ahead and remove the color by clicking on the X icon next to the colored square. Next, we'll explain the difference between rows and content. So rows include the whole email from left to right in a particular section, and you can save rows for future use by clicking on the row, scrolling down and clicking on the Save icon. Here you can give it a title, type in a tag for easy searching, and click on Save. Once you've saved a row, click into your blocks and you'll see it sitting there waiting for you. To add it in, simply click, drag where you want it. Once you release your click, it'll then add in. You can also delete rows by clicking on the section and clicking the delete icon. Content includes individual blocks within a row. This is where the body of your email is located. When you hover over each section, you'll see the content icon appear. Next step is personalizing emails with personalization tags. Click on the text you want to personalize. Here you'll see personalization tags. I've already got a contact name in here ready to go, but perhaps I wanted to add my business name at the end of this paragraph. To do so, click into personalization tags, click on the one you're after. Now that I've added my personalization tags in, when I send this to my contact, it'll autofill their name and autofill my business name. Here's suggestions on what type of content you can link into your email. You can link anything with a URL, for example, a calendar link, or maybe even requesting a review. A great time-saving tip is linking articles from our editorial page on Houzz. Just open up a new tab, type in houzz.com.au/idbooks. And here you'll find hundreds of already written articles that are likely to interest your homeowners. Simply scroll down, find the one that you're after by clicking on the title, copy the URL of the page, hop back into your email marketing tab, and you can add this in through any type of content. Hop back into your content tool. For example, on this one, we'll use a button. Simply click, drag it where you want it to go, give it a new title. Once you've given it a new title, click into URL in the top right hand corner and paste that in. Now, when your receiver opens and clicks on that button, they'll automatically be directed to that editorial page. Lastly, we'll discuss how you can preview your email before sending it out. In the lower left hand corner, you'll see the eye icon, and this allows you to preview it before you send it. Here you'll be able to view it in desktop, iPad, or even mobile device. Once you're happy with it, you can add it as a template, so next time you go to create this, it's already ready to go. Otherwise, you can click on Continue to Send in the top right hand corner. From here in the bottom right hand corner, you can test this by sending it to your own email. Once you're happy with it, follow the prompts and send this off to your contacts. For more information on an email marketing tool, see our other videos in this series. Thank you for watching.